Hey guys, I'm Kuyo from Japan. Today I enjoy Japanese tenmusu. Do you know tenmusu? Tenmusu is tempura in onigiri. Okay, let's enjoy cooking. First, prepare the tempura ingredients. Remove the skin from the chicken breast. Don't throw away the skin, use it for other dishes. Cut the chicken into sticks of about 50 mm. Today, I only use 4 sticks. Next, peel the shrimp. At this time, leave the tail of the shrimp without removing them. I have a shrimp allergy, so my parents eat shrimp tempura today. Next, remove the innard from the shrimp. Make a cut on the belly side of the shrimp and remove the internal organs. Next, make a cut on the back of the shrimp and remove the internal organs. Preparation of tempura ingredients is completed. Next, make the tempura batter. Place 1 egg in a bowl and mix it. Add 200 ml of water and mix. Add 60 grams of soft flour. Mix them well. The tempura batter is completed. Pour plenty of oil into the frying pan or pot. Turn on the heat and heat the oil. When you dip wooden chopstick into oil, if bubbles appear, this is a sign that the temperature of the oil has risen. Dip the shrimp in the butter and then add it to the oil. Fry shrimp tempura. Fry them for 1 minute and 30 seconds, turning the shrimp halfway through. After 1 minute and 30 seconds, remove the shrimp from the oil. Shrimp tempura is completed. Next, dip the chicken in the butter and add it to the oil. Fry chicken tempura. Fry them for 2 to 3 minutes, turning them half through. Remove the chicken tempura from the oil. Tempura is completed. Next, make the sauce. Add 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of sweet sake, and 2 tablespoons of water to a frying pan and mix them together. Turn on the heat and heat the sauce. Mix the sauce and bring it to a boil. When the sauce boils, it's done. Finally, prepare the rice for the onigiri. Add 1 teaspoon of salt to 700 grams of rice. Mix them well. Divide the rice into 8 equal parts. Cover a small bowl with plastic wrap. Add rice for 1 onigiri. Make a well in the center of the rice. Add plenty of sauce to the shrimp tempura. Press it in the well of the rice so that shrimp tails stick out. Use plastic wrap to wrap the shrimp tempura in the rice. Form it into a circle. The tenmusu base is completed. With chicken tempura, make the tenmusu base in the same way. A total of 8 tenmusu bases were made. Finally, wrap the tenmusu base in seaweed. Place the tenmusu base on top of the stripe of seaweed. Wrap the rice in seaweed so that the front and back side are no longer visible. If you cut the seaweed into quarters, place the tempura base at the second position from the left. Hold the left seaweed and wrap it along the rice. Hold the rice and seaweed together diagonally to the right. Finally, stand the rice bowl upright and wrap the bottom of the rice with the remaining seaweed. This is the most beautiful way to put seaweed that I know of. The tempura inside of the rice bowl, tenmusu, are now completed. Tenmusu is one of my favorite Japanese dishes. The compatibility between rice and tempura is very good. Today, I use chicken and shrimp, but you can also make delicious tempura with vegetable or seafood. Please enjoy tenmusu with your favorite tempura. By the way, the eating tenmusu, it is very delicious to eat pickle with it, so I recommend it.
Thank you for reviewing how was Japanese tenmusu. Don't you think it looks so yummy? Please try it. If you enjoyed this video, please check my YouTube channel and the like button. I'm looking forward to your comments. See you next week. Bye!